Nakuha daw yellow si sir.
Ihi.
Ihi si sir eh. Ah. One timeout. One timeout.
Both teams, one remaining timeout. Both teams, one remaining timeout.
Foul.
Ball number 25.
Carlo. Blue, tatlo.
Third personal foul, third team foul. Blue.
Nice pass.
Foul basket. Nice pass. Foul number 7.
Assist.
Warning for penalty, Blue.
Tatlo na.
Third personal foul number 7. Warning for penalty, Blue.
Tres.
Out of bounds.
Siguro hindi niya nakita ibang foul. Hindi niya nakita ibang foul.
Rebound 29.
Supply na yan ah.
Rebound 27. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Okay, 2 points.
Assist. GP.
10-second shot clock.
Oy.
Foul number 27.
Number
27, apat na yan.
27. Apat.
Fourth personal foul number 27. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty.
Apat. Pag pumasok, tatlo. Lubat na pre. Close. Sakto lang.
Rebound 22. Ten-second shot clock. Same ball shot clock 8 seconds. Shot clock 8.
Dikdikan, no? Parang championship, no?
5-second shot clock.
94.
Tatlak na violation na.
Violation, hindi tumama. Hindi tumama.
Shot clock violation.
Hindi tumama. Violation na yun.
Offensive rebound 25.
Tira mo.
Rebound 22.
Sigit yan, 3 points. Foul, good yan.
Foul number 6. Penalty.
Tatlo.
Erwin, tatlo.
Third personal foul number 6. Third foul.
Isa.
Both teams, one remaining timeout. Both teams. Both teams penalty. Rebound 29.
Wala talaga.
Rebound 27.
57. Foul.
Foul. Number 25.
Carlo, ilan na? Apat. Apat.
Fourth personal foul number 25. Warning for foul down.
Dindikan yung laban eh, no? Wala pa rin.
Rebound 34.
Oh,
Rebound number 8.
hanap rin.
Still 34. 10 seconds. 2 points. Timeout, White.
No remaining timeout. Isa.
White, no remaining timeout. Blue, 1 remaining timeout. Both teams penalty.
Apat na, Paulo. Dalawa lang. Aba.
Kayo yung loob mo na. Ito bola? Kalaan. Ay, hindi. Mga agaw dito. Hindi. Okay na, okay na.
8 seconds.
Ang championship. White ball.
Foul.
Foul. Number 29. Penalty.
Jared.
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Third personal foul number 29. Third foul.
Ba?
7 sec.
7 seconds.
Boss, basket timeout ba?
Sir, timeout kayo? Wala na. Timeout daw.
Timeout na, no?
Basket timeout.
Oo, na.
Okay.
5 seconds. Foul number 8.
Foul number 8.
Penalty.
Hindi lang.
Number 8. First pa lang. Malupit talaga.
First foul number 8.
Follow up nyo, follow up. Follow up rebound ba? Diretso ng follow-up.
3 seconds.
Follow up lang.
Tapping na ba? Tapping na.
Three seconds. Substitution. Substitution.
Mali si Sir. Malapit sa ring.
Kaya nga, wala eh. Violation eh.
Pushing foul.
Chicken talaga.
Push.
Number 8.
Number 8, second personal foul.
Second personal foul.
Puta, maka-overtime pa.
Pulikat. Ay, wala na. Pulikat na sir. Wala.
1.7 of a second.
Masok yung follow-up.
End of the ball game.
Patay mo na yan, pre. Pasuyo na ang bola. Ang dami tayong bola. Sayang, sir. Maganda-ganda ng laban, no?
Pero may baril palagi yung pag-bibigyo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, eh. Bola mo na, bola. Bola mo na. Bola mo na, bola.
May baril nga dyan yun. Ano ka na to?